Hello guys, this is Skill Dimension. We make short technical videos. So today we are going to make a video on Git Basic Workflow. So let's get started with the tutorial. We are here in command prompt. Using the command mkdir, trying to create a directory called Git tutorial. So after creating the directory, now we'll use the command cd to change the directory and get into it. Now here in Git tutorial, we'll try to initialize the repository using the command called git init, and here it is initialized. You can also check the same going to the Explorer. Coming into the Git tutorial, we see a folder named .git, which basically keeps track of all your changes which you make to the local repository. Next step is to introduce a change onto our system. So we'll try to create a file called test.txt. I'm adding some content here. As you can see, hello guys, this is the tutorial. After this, after saving the file, I'll try to go to my CLI and type the command git status, which basically tells me about the change which I've introduced. Now I'm trying to basically do a commit using the command called git commit -m. Inside the quotes, I'm giving the message. Here, as you can see, it has failed. The reason behind this is we have not actually added anything into the commit. Commit basically requires your changes to be added. In order to add the changes, we use the command called git add. Dot is basically all the files in the current directory should be added. After doing this, we can also check the status. Now we'll complete our commit using the command git commit -m, giving the proper commit message. As this is our first commit, we'll give a message as initial commit. After doing this, you can see we see one file change and one insertion, which basically tells our commit is successful. I'll use the command git remote add origin with my remote repository URL. You can also cross-check the same using the command git remote -v, which will basically show that URL. Let's move on to the final step. We'll try to push our changes using the command git push -u origin master. Basically, master is the branch name and origin is basically the remote repository URL which we added in the previous step. Here I'm entering my credential, the username and password for the particular account. And as you can see, now the changes are being pushed to the branch. I'll type the command git status, which shows working tree clean because there are no new changes. Now we'll open our browser. Coming to the repository named Git Basics, we'll go into it. Now as you can see, this is the file which we pushed and this is the content. That's all for this video. We'll come back with similar content. Do like, share and subscribe. Let us know what do you feel about the video in the comment section.